Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to set up OBS to stream on Twitch. So in order to do this, first of all, open your OBS application, click on the plus icon under sources. Now choose video capture or just choose display capture. Now you can enter this anything you want. For example, I'm naming this Twitch. Now click on OK and this will open up this page. We'll have to choose capture method, choose automatic. Now make sure your display is set at 1920 into 1080 pixel. That is primary monitor. You can choose to capture your cursor if you want to. If not, just deselect this and click on OK. Now we have another source available, that is Twitch. Now, in order to start streaming on Twitch, click on Start Streaming button at the top of recording button. Now it will show up this pop-up that will say URL and stream key are missing. Click on Open Settings button and this will open up your settings, where you'll have to click on Stream option under General. Now choose the service as Twitch. You can choose to stream it on YouTube, Facebook or any of these applications, but we are going to stream it on Twitch. So I will choose Twitch. Now click on Use Stream Key button. Now we will need a stream key. In order to do that, navigate to twitch.com on any browser. Navigate to Home, click on your account icon at the top right. Now, after logging into Twitch, click on account icon at the top right, choose Creator Dashboard, and here you'll have to click on Settings option at the left of the screen. Click on Stream, and here will be your primary stream key. Click on Copy button, and your stream key will be copied to your clipboard. That you'll have to go back to OBS and paste it just right here. After pasting it, click on Apply and click on OK. And that would instantly connect your OBS to Twitch. That will help you start streaming. Now when you click on Start Streaming, it will connect to your Twitch and it will instantly stream this on your Twitch account. So that's the simple way through which you can do it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.